Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is the Besties Collab with my bestie, Mountain Witch Christine. Oh my gosh. We decided to do a summer look, and I'm very excited about it. So, before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. Of course, if you want to be the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So, I am so excited because I'm going to play with the 35S Sweet Oasis palette from Morphe. If you have any palettes, if you have any other palettes that is similar to this, you probably do have it. A lower palette from Blend Bunnies, which I do love. I just got to get to the second part. But I don't know what I'm going to do. Before summer, when I think about summer, I'm thinking about blue, I'm thinking about pink, I'm thinking about purple, I'm thinking about really summery colors. I'm also thinking about bronzy looks a little bit, but it's going to just be like, I don't know what kind of idea that I have, but I do want to play with some purple, I do want to play some pinks, I do want to play with some blues, but I'm thinking about doing a cut crease look, because why not? Just be fun with it and just have a blast. I am going to use Beauty Creations Neutral Eye Base Primer in Porcelain. Summer. I'm so excited about summer. I don't know why. Lately, it's been raining like crazy, and I'm just like, Christine, has it been raining like crazy for you too? So, quite interesting, So, yeah, I'm thinking about doing a cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease look in a while. And for me, cut creases always varies with me. So sometimes I'm in a mood for them. Sometimes I just like completely do all I want to do type of deal. But for this video, I want to do a summer cut crease because you know what? Let's do it. Let's have fun with it. But yeah. I should have used a white with this, but you know what? It is fine with me. Because once I use the blue, it'll turn like a purple anyway, so I am going to use like a pink/purple, maybe a cotton candy vibe. I don't know yet. I love cotton candy. Do you love cotton candy? I love cotton candy. I don't have a very favorite flavor of cotton candy. I like the blue more than I like the pink. I've never been a pink fan. I don't know. But yeah, lighter to the little shade darker a little bit. I wanted this to be like, I don't know. I don't want to do a bubblegum pink. So we're just going to go. I don't know why, but it's going to change the shade a little bit. And I'm going to go into to the outer corner and just flick it off as a wing. I'm going to go back to that first pink shade. So the one I used was Love Struck, and I used Hibiscus Blooms. Like I said, I've never been a pink fan. I never liked pink. Even when I'm doing my makeup, I just don't do pink. I don't do pink lipstick. Even though I have a bunch of pink lipsticks. Depending on my mood, I like how this is coming out. I really do. So, like I said, it will turn into, when I use this blue, it's going to turn a little bit purple, but that's fine. I'm not going to be all mad about it. So, I'm going to use Sail Away. It's a nice, beautiful blue shade. I'm going to use that. If it turns a little purple, that's fine because I am going to go with a darker shade. As for that, I am actually going to use Saltwater Dip, which is, I really like this blue shade. When I do my foundation, I'm going to be really, really careful with. My dogs are trying to get in, but right now they're not allowed because they be into everything and I wasn't able to concentrate on what I need to get done with my makeup look. I'm actually going to blend that with a white at the inner corner because I'm going to use this to brighten that up, like really brighten that up. That's so pretty. Is this going to be so cool? This is what I would think of summer, like having fun with color like this. And it's so much fun when you can create something like this and it looks so beautiful. So you can leave it how you want it. I actually like how it is right now. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to use Windsurf. It's this nice silvery color, which I think will look so good. It's just a good summer vibe. Cotton candy. I really have not done a look like this. And this is actually fun. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put mascara on. This is cool, cute with lashes. But I'm not going to do that because I feel like it does not need, like it could, like this. So I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look. I really like how this look turned out. I didn't even put any blush or highlighter because I really wanted to just kind of strange, to say the least. But it is what it is, and it was like, that's what I wanted to do. Quite simple, really dramatic. I really like this, how this look turned out. But yeah, very excited for summer, even though we're in July. I just wish it would stop raining just for 1 week. But actually I don't, because it gets hotter after the fact. So I don't know. Make sure you check out Christine so you can see what look that she created for the summer. So this is it for today's video. Hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!